How to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase Wallet. If you wish to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase Wallet, it is very simple for us to do so. What we have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Coinbase Wallet app, and this is the interface you will see. From the top you'll find a section that says buy, so you can just tap on the buy option. Now you can just enter the amount worth of Bitcoin you want to buy. If I want to buy Bitcoin for 1000 USD, after I select that here in the buy section, currently Ethereum is selected by default, so I can just tap on this Ethereum and then I could change this to Bitcoin. So I'll just go ahead and then type in BTC right over there. So I'll just select on Ethereum, then I'll select Bitcoin, then I'll just go ahead and select Bitcoin like this. Once I've selected Bitcoin, what I do is I'll come back. You can see pay with credit card, but you can change this payment method to credit card, debit card, Google Pay, Neteller, or even Skrill. Then once you do so, when you tap the continue to payment option, you'll be connected to a third-party agent, and once done, you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then buy your chosen cryptocurrency, which in this case is Bitcoin. This way you can go ahead and then buy Bitcoin on Coinbase Wallet. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.